Beauty, my cat. And I put a little cute crown on her, which is so cute. And here she is. Whoa! Surprise eggs! Let's take them out. So we have this Marvel surprise egg. This is Iron Man. Chocolate surprise eggs. Whoa. And this is Toy Story. More of the chocolate eggs. Play-Doh surprise eggs. Ooh. So there's a purple and a yellow. And last we have this Froggy surprise egg. Yay! And Beauty will be sleeping in here, so she'll do this. Good night, Beauty. And let's count them. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Wow! Let's start opening one. I'm gonna start with the Marvel. A little sound. Wow! It's Jessie from Toy Story! The cowgirl. Next, chocolate egg, Toy Story. I wonder what we will get. So excited. Let's start opening it. Oh. Ooh, cool. Is this Jessie? Yeah, this is Jessie, but it's like golden. We got lucky! It's a special edition Jessie! Woo-hoo! Yay! Instead of going in order, I'm going to go to the big purple Play-Doh egg. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Whoa! What a big sound. Cool! It's Seraph Woody from Toy Story! Next is this yellow Play-Doh egg, which is smaller. Let's open it. Ooh. It's a blue egg. More. This is Rex. Also from Toy Story. Next we have this chocolate egg. Let's shake it first. That's so much sound. Well, it's okay. Yeah, more sound now. Ooh, what could this be? It's an octopus. I haven't seen an octopus in Toy Story. Let's go check. This is a purple octopus from Toy Story. Next, chocolate egg. Oh my goodness. It's not cracking. Well, that's okay. Woo! We got lucky again! And this is goal 2! And the name is Slink Dog! Also from Toy Story! And for last, we have the Froggy surprise egg. So cute. So loud. Oh my gosh. This is Buzz Lightyear! Yay! Also from Toy Story. All of our surprises are from Toy Story. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and watch out for more videos. Yay!